I have my espresso drink here that I made with my Hola Rico milk frother, and with this I used oat milk today. It's so easy to use. It's so much easier than, say, standing with a handheld device and having to froth the milk. You can use this with any type of milk, cow milk or plant milk, and you just put it in the pitcher. You choose your temperature and you choose how much froth you want. Of course, I like a lot of froth. And I'm going to show you how I make it. I start off making the espresso, and then simultaneously I get the milk ready in the Hola Rico pitcher. So I pour it in. You see the minimum, and that's for frothing, and then the max. First one is just for frothing maximum, and then the top max is for heat. I put in the little frothing device and the lid, and then I set it in place, and I press the button on the right for frothing. I want the most, and then on the left I press the button for temperature. That's in Fahrenheit, and press start. And here we are with it spinning. I wanted you to see that through the plastic lid. And then when it's ready to finish, it beeps 5 times, which is great. Then you know it's turning itself off. Pour in the espresso, and then pour in the milk. And the froth, of course, comes after that. Look at all that froth. Yummy. Can't wait to taste it. And here I am giving it a taste. This one makes so much froth today. Let's see. Yeah, I get some froth in there. You can also use this for hot chocolate, heating up the milk, and it's so much fun to make the frothy milk with kids for your hot chocolate drinks. What you need to do is check the description box below the video. If you're watching on a phone or mobile device, you need to go below the video, and on the right there's a little V. Tap the little V to open the description box. Or if you're watching on a computer, you want to go below the video on the left side. It says show more. Click those words, show more, and that opens up the description box. There'll be a link there to this particular milk frother, the Hola Rico. I like that it's 2 separate parts. The electric part is separate from the pitcher. I can clean it, and it just makes really great frothing, and you know, you can choose your temperature, which is great too. So check it out, and then when you're done doing that, check out one of my other videos by tapping its image on the right side of your screen, and I'll see you in the next video.